No wireless.
Hey everybody, Lane and Patricia here, and we're out at the Woods of GardenRidge today, and we've got a pretty awesome house to show you.
Yes, we are in this beautiful Chesmar home today, and we want to give you guys a little tour of it. So I'm going to flip this around and let's get started. So as you can see, this beautiful lot has tons of trees on it, and we're going to go right up here and we're going to give you a sneak peek inside. So we're actually in GardenRidge, so we are not too far out of the city, just a few miles, and you get this nice feel of being kind of out in the hill country a little bit. So let's go take a look. This home here is a single-story home. It is 3164 square feet. As you can see, and you come in, it's nice and open. We've got our dining room here. And as we come through here, the walkway is very wide. We could go into the kitchen that way, but we're going to keep going down the hallway just a little bit. And very open through here as well. So as we come through here, you've got another kind of living space that separates these two bedrooms. So really nice because it's separate from the master area. And then opens up in here to a really nice living room. One of my favorite parts about this is how open we are through here. So if you check out this kitchen, look at the size of this island. I mean, it is spectacular. We're set up obviously today for our open house, so all of our stuff is here. But obviously it would be great for entertaining. And I see Lane's already opened the door to the garage. That's going to be one of his favorite parts of the house because this house actually has a four-car tandem garage. So as you see here, your two-car garage door, but through here you have actually got space for 4 vehicles. You don't find that often. And through here, you've got your breakfast area, and then we've got double doors leading into what could be a study. We have actually today got our virtual reality set up in here, so the ZNR VR experience, where we've got the home buying process set up, but then also what we do when we do the experience is we have another little setup through here where more than one person can be taking advantage of the experience and actually watching some really fun different VR programs. And then I'll take you guys on a tour over here where we've got the master suite. And then we'll take a quick peek outside. So, nice master. Again, you can even see out there tons of trees in the back too. So it's nice. You can open all the windows like that, all the blinds, and let the natural light in. And then this master, I love the colors in here. All the grays and whites and the dark brown really, really pop. So you've got a nice big shower and, of course, your garden tub. Dual sinks. We'll skip the mirror because you've already seen me, but there we go. And then nice big walk-in closet. So definitely enough space for everyone to spread out and be comfortable. Let's take a quick peek at the backyard. Check this out. So you've got an outdoor living out here with a fireplace, covered patio, and then your hear the birds singing. It is springtime. Feels great outside today. So this would definitely be a nice patio to enjoy a good portion of the year here in San Antonio. We get a lot of time that we can enjoy the patios. So all right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for coming along on this tour. I'll flip it back and say sayonara. See you soon. If you need anything, call or text 210-771-5263. Hope you're having a great weekend.